To have your auto receptionist manage your incoming calls, it's not too much of a challenge here. We're going to go to our general settings. Right now they have their company hours set to custom hours, which means that they'll have to choose something else to do after hours. Most people are going to have it 24 hours, so it's just going to do the same thing all day. So in that scenario, we're going to go to our IVR settings. Generally, if you're not going to use that IVR menu, you just leave it on single level. Right now we have it bypass, so by default it's going to play that awful greeting again, just the worst. So we're going to say bypass that, just ring the receptionist phone. Okay, that's a pretty standard setup here. However, if someone does have the IVR menu, you're going to click on multi-level here. It will not let you pass this point unless you have at least one IVR to point the calls to. So here's our one choice there. Save. And now all the calls to the auto receptionist will point to that IVR menu. Okay. You'll also notice in this section she'll handle anything that's considered a company number. So that's when we're going to go to phone numbers and all. That's fine. Save. Okay, right now they're all set to auto receptionist. However, we set that 5010 number earlier to be the company number. So in that case, we're going to take these numbers and we're going to point them to random people. Okay, just so everyone gets a phone number, because this is normally how you're going to see it. You're going to see each person has a number. Okay, and you can do that for everybody if you want to. I'll just show you one. So now the accounting department has a direct dial number, so that accounting person can say, this is my number, you can skip everything, just call me that way. Or you can dial a main number and type in 102 and you'll reach me that way as well. However, right now we've got that company number is 5010. Generally speaking, these all come pre-assigned to every user. There will be none assigned to the auto receptionist. You're going to have to pick one. So usually you'd steal the receptionist line and point it to the auto receptionist, because nobody's direct dialing reception. It's usually just the main number anyways. So in that case, the 5010, you'd click on it, assign to auto receptionist, and then so that every user can show it when they call out. That was the same as I showed you in the templates here. You click on templates. We'll click on, you can do it in the template, or receptionist has to be done manually because they're an admin. But you just go into outbound calls and update their caller ID with that company number once you've selected one or stolen it from the receptionist. Okay, so right now they've got the main company number, and we set it as 5010, and that's where we're going to have everybody call when they show out, or show when they call out. Done. Save. There you go. So that's the basics of the auto receptionist. Not too much else in there.